If the fuel line on your weed whacker gas tank breaks, this is a trick you can do to fix it. This one is okay. It didn't break. See right here? Carburetor, the other one snapped. So what I did is I got some silicone adhesive here, and I took a vacuum elbow that's for a car, and I found a piece that is able to snugly fit onto the fuel hose, and then I just cut off this part because I don't need it. This hole's too small. And then I put the silicone glue here to keep it from leaking, and then just going to connect the other part of the hose into here and put glue, and then that should fix the problem. Reconnect the good line to the carburetor, then take the elbow piece and see the hose inside. Make sure that the glue is not clogging up the hose. Then you just push the two hoses together. Then you can get some more glue and cake it around here so that it won't leak. And then you're done. And your weed whacker should work again, without having to worry about trying to get a new fuel tank or replace the fuel lines. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.